Wagwan YouTube, man. You know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React. Today I got a funny ass video for you guys. Gonna be reacting to part two of "You Are Not the Father" on the Maury Show. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but I did a part one of that video, so you guys can go check that out. But it's just funny. It's just too funny, the reaction. These guys act like they're winning the World Cup or the Super Bowl when they hear "You Are Not the Father," and sometimes these stories, it seems like these ladies tried to trap them. So it's kind of you know ah oh, the good guy won feeling, but then it sucks because that kid doesn't know who his father is gonna be. But I do think these shows are scripted, but it's funny nonetheless when these people give those reactions. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, hit that like button, man. Help me get this video out there, and let me know what you think about these cases of "You Are Not the Father." I appreciate you guys for tuning in as always, man. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.
Life forever. That is coming home.
He claims you told him
You stole sperm, but DNA will prove that's not my baby. So I'm guessing, just like I said in the intro, these ladies tried to trap these men.
the father at first.
I never told Daryl he was my child's father. My child looked at somebody else as her father, not him.
You're sure he's not the father?
So what's the issue here?
That he's not my child's
You
father.
think they look alike, Daryl? And you're...
No, my child looks nothing like him. My child looks like my current boyfriend. Like, come on, my baby do not look
I
like
hate when they do this. Like, it's a baby. It doesn't have to look like them yet. Like, it just came out the womb. Damn it. Like,
Daryl, come on out.
what's wrong with Daryl, bro?
Why are you
Maury been down, eh?
the father of...
Boy, the day of conception was October 23rd. We
Right.
had sex 3 times that day.
This nigga got this shit down to the date. Yo, that white guy, what shot?
You want to be the father?
Yeah, so it's not that I want to be the father. I know I'm the father, so obviously I want to be there for my child.
Why is she moving like that?
I'm the father. Okay.
In the case of 2-month-old Amaya, Daryl, you are the father.
That's Sally, though. That nigga screamed in her face. Yeah. What is wrong with this guy? Like, let the lady have her minute of disgrace in peace. Oh, shit.
You're not gonna give me my apology? Huh? Told you I was the father.
Yo, that was funny.
Watching the show,
Like I said, he took the date of conception into consideration. He said, it's my kid, bro.
when she saw a 53-year-old man,
I'm 23. I'll prove this 53-year-old man is my baby's dad. Damn.
being
This
accused
nigga's 53?
by a woman named Vanessa of being the father of her daughter, Cabri. And so immediately, Patricia called the show. Because
That nigga do not look 53.
Pie
He a liar.
was
So it is
4
his baby.
years. So Patricia is positive that Pie is also the father of her
Damn, this is
3-year-old
some
son,
drama.
the
Whoa,
baby
whoa,
is
whoa.
Junior. Pie says he has one specific
Okay,
reason
never mind. He does
he's
look old.
not the father of the
Okay,
baby.
let's hear this.
Well,
Let's
what's
hear
that
this.
reason?
He don't drink milk, so he can't produce kids.
Okay, somebody gotta come look at this shit. The nigga said he don't drink milk, so he can't produce kid. Oh, fuck. That is crazy.
He's 53 now,
I mean, that would have been a better excuse. I'm old.
right? And how old were you when you met him?
I was 18 going on 19.
18.
Like
think
that.
they look alike?
Of course. Look, come on. Look at
18 and she fucking with a nigga that old? Like, come on, bro. That's kind of wild.
this. Look at it. Look at that smile, that nose, them eyes, eyebrows.
I mean, that kid is his kid.
All of it. Come on, Maury. All of that. He can't deny that.
Anybody
The
want
nose
to
is
meet
not the
pie?
same.
Here he is.
Y'all don't want that pie. It ain't worth it.
They come in like they're the villain. It's like almost like wrestling. Nah, it ain't my baby.
You don't
Nah.
drink milk, so you can't have kids.
Right.
Drink milk and so you can get Put on some hands so you can get Put on some hands so you can get
That nigga has some white ass two front teeth.
By the way, why were you messing around with a girl over
The milk logic, I guess he's going with because I guess sperm looks white. If he doesn't drink milk, he.
years younger than you?
Yo, I heard it all.
Didn't know at the time, Maury.
That nigga has 2 Tic Tacs at the front of his mouth. I've never seen that.
In the case of 3-year-old Junior, Pie, you are not.
Bro, I love how they always take off running in different directions. Yo, the amount of tears that are in those seats in general. That nigga rubbing that shit in. Maury, that's not okay, bro. I'm out.
And I'm struggling. My baby girl Denver is 2 years old.
Okay.
Her father, Damon, has done nothing to help me with her.
Okay.
When I told Damon
Why she look so evil?
he already
Yo, those walk-ups, those little close-ups, that like the roles of the person introducing the person is so funny.
that he takes care of. So I thought my baby was about to have a good father. I was wrong.
Why is he just standing so awkward?
When I called David to help me with diapers and food, he was like, oh, I can't ignore Denver when she's crying because she's hungry. So why should he be able to ignore me?
I mean, I think that's a different. Your daughter being hungry versus you calling him is a little different.
Helping us, we would be on the street. It took 2 long years, but I finally got David to take a paternity test. I can't wait to hear Maury say today, David, you are the father.
I mean, I honestly hope for your sake he does say that shit.
That Damon owes you, right? What does he owe you?
He owed me a lot.
Look at that.
God damn, diapers were that expensive back then, and that's back then. So just imagine now, $200 for diapers. I don't really know how she's charging him gas. The whole housing is kind of wild. Milk and formula. What the fuck? Kind of clothes is she buying for $5,000 a month with food? She got to take the clothes out. I don't know, man. That's kind of a hell of a bill. But I don't know shit about that shit, bro. You ain't gotta poke the screen that hard, man. Look at both of them just yelling.
He's the father today. He's gonna pay my money back.
Alright. I hope for your case, for your sake. Yo, what's wrong with them? They rehearsed this shit. That baby do not look like that, man. Except for his skin tone.
Damon, come on out.
They reach with that shit so much, man. I always say stop that noise, man. Come on, man.
You're saying you're the wrong guy.
Exactly, Maury.
I'm
Exactly,
1,000%
Maury.
sure that you are my granddaughter's
Exactly,
father.
Maury.
Today, you're gonna find out.
Damon.
How did grandma know that? How's she so sure? She wasn't with him.
Denver, Damon. You are not.
Wait, what? Is that mom confused? I'm so confused. That boy said it that way.
I thought he was the father. Don't worry about it.
We know you thought that.
I'm gonna be there for you.
I thought y'all was convinced. What happened?
Wait a second, Damon.
I'm screwed. Yo, fuck that. When you guys were making.
You still my daughter.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that was a nice one.
Fool for believing he's the father of Janice's daughter, Aaliyah.
Oh, he thinks he is.
Came to live with me, she already looked pregnant. I think her plan all
Damn, she dissing, bro. She said her daughter was fat the minute she moved in.
was to pin her baby on my son and trap him forever. I told Bishop and Janice no baby making is allowed in my home. When I found out they
Probably
lied
did it
to me
outside,
for
Mom.
5 months about her pregnancy, I kicked their asses out. Janice has my
Damn,
son
you a little
wrapped around
harsh.
her finger and I can't stand it. Bishop and I
Yo,
have a
what's wrong with this
relationship
lady?
now, and it's all her fault.
That mom is a little
This
dramatic.
DNA test proves that Bishop is not the father. I'm stepping in once and for all, and I'm taking my son home with me.
Yeah, that mom is a little bit too
Came
much.
To live with your mother, Bishop. What'd she tell you, Janice?
No baby making.
No baby making.
Damn, on key.
No baby making.
All right, relax. The baby's here.
I mean, we didn't have no money for condoms.
Nicole, come on out.
What an excuse. Y'all know damn well they give away condoms everywhere.
You got a lot of babies, don't you?
I have 7 children, including him.
She thinks you
So
were
what's the issue?
pregnant when you entered the
She
house.
showed up pregnant.
I was fat my whole life. I can't
She said it.
Yeah, she was fat.
She said it. To be honest, y'all look like the same weight. If I'm being honest, mama.
Of 1-year-old Aaliyah Bishop, you are the father.
Yo, what's wrong with this dramatic ass mom? Okay, this is a new episode. It's a newer episode. I'm dead.
Be nice. Be nice.
Maury said it. Maury said it. I said it first.
Angelo
That's so
claims
funny.
Israel's godfather, Mike.
These newer episodes seem like they were more like they're less hostile. Like back in the day, it was kind of wild still. Like the fighting and the cussing that would
Is
be going
actually
on.
the real dad, not him. So which of these men is Israel's father?
Maury, let me tell you, I believe Angelo is the father 100% with all my heart.
Damn,
We're gonna
Delilah.
go back because you
First of all, your name is Delilah. That's not a good sign. I would never delete unless I want my daughter to be, you know, no good. I would not name her Delilah. And that's from, you know, growing up around the church. You
can
know,
even
Delilah.
make the
You know,
date. March 2nd, 2015, right?
March 2nd,
the twin brother. Those niggas look
2015,
nothing
in
alike.
the hotel,
Uh-huh.
having wine,
Okay.
strawberries,
Okay.
in a sexy lingerie.
Okay.
He was bumping and
You do your thing.
grinding. He was excited, extremely. He wanted this baby.
She's lying. He's
Yes,
not my
you
baby.
was. Yes, you
Mary,
He's not my baby.
she's not my baby.
Yes, you are.
Yo, that nigga said she is lying.
56 years old, right?
Yeah, bro, this nigga don't want no
He's much
baby.
older, he's 56, but he still got it going on. 56,
He was-
and we was bumping it like 56. Don't stop you. It don't stop you.
She is wild.
Who does little baby Israel look like?
He looks like Angelo. Look.
Let's hear this now.
The eyes.
Nigga, that baby do not look like these old geezers, man. Like, come on, bro. I'm looking. I can't. First of all, no, your nose and your ears keep growing for the rest of your life. So at this stage, these niggas are fully grown. No ears and no nose are gonna look the same. Or your lips. Like, okay, yes, they all have eyeballs. But that's it. Like, this lady's wicked.
The nose. The
Nah.
eyebrows.
Stop the cap.
Really?
I know he's the father. I know 100%.
Maury himself knows this is bullshit.
I know that.
Here's Angelo, everybody. Welcome him.
So, man, Angelo looks like he's ready for his deathbed.
Do you remember that night?
I remember that night.
That's when she says she got pregnant by you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, when we was bumping and grinding. And
Hey, bro, you don't have to keep turning your ass around. I get it.
That's your son.
That's all right, because she was bumping ground with everybody else.
Angelo ain't here to play,
Here's
y'all.
the godfather, Mike.
The fuck? Wakanda forever.
We never had no intercourse. Never.
18 years.
No.
Oh, you never had
Not when I conceived my child, March 2nd, 2015. No. He was grinding. Remember grinding?
Bro, damn, this lady. We get it. You must be drunk.
See, that's the problem. You always grinding,
Yeah,
grinding.
when I was grinding on you, right? You didn't have no problem with that.
Case of 2-year-old Israel.
This poor child.
Mike, you are not the father.
Why? Yo, I'm fucking dead.
In the case,
Damn, I hope you're not the father,
2-year-old
Angelo.
Israel. Angelo, you are the father.
Look at this lady. That's so funny.